What up guys, Miguel here of Yugatech, and we're back at it again with another exciting episode of our quarterly roundup series, bringing you the most recent smartphone releases in the Philippines worth considering. Today's video will cover the third quarter of 2023, months from July to September, and specifically focusing on new offerings priced below 10,000 pesos. Let's dive in. First up, we have the Techno POA 5. A smartphone that not only boasts a massive 6,000 mAh battery, but also showcases visually striking mecha design aesthetics on its back panel. And that large battery is also complemented with fast 45 watts of charging. Its 6.78-inch display uses a Full HD Plus IPS LCD panel that features up to a 120Hz refresh rate. It has a centered punch hole cutout housing its 8-megapixel selfie camera. And for the rear, it boasts a 50-megapixel main lens paired with an auxiliary lens. Powering this device is a MediaTek Helio G99 chipset with a heat dissipation system for optimal cooling. The Techno POA 5 launched at 7,999 pesos for 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Another one from Techno is the POA 5 Pro. This device takes the design aesthetics of its base model to another level, with the addition of RGB lighting in its captivating 3D mecha design. Additionally, it features a more powerful chip, the Dimensity 6080, which supports 5G connectivity. It retains the impressive 6.78-inch 120Hz Full HD Plus display and offers an even faster 68 watts of charging. Interestingly, despite the faster charging, it has a lower battery capacity of 5,000 mAh. The Techno POA 5 Pro launched at a promo price of 9,999 pesos with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. Next up, we have the Oppo A58. It features a 6.72-inch Full HD Plus LCD panel with a centered punch hole that houses its 8-megapixel selfie camera. While at the rear, its dual camera setup protrudes and features a 50-megapixel main and 2-megapixel mono sensor. It's powered by a MediaTek Helio G85 chipset and packs a 5,000 mAh battery paired with 33 watts of charging. The Oppo A58 is also priced at 9,999 pesos. Lastly, we have the Itel S23 Plus, packing a 5,000 mAh battery and a dual camera setup. It features a 6.78-inch curved AMOLED display with a resolution of 2400 by 1080. Also making it one of the most affordable OLED panel smartphones you can purchase today. Its dual cameras will offer you flexible shooting modes through its 50-megapixel main sensor paired with a 0.08 megapixel depth sensor. So technically you could kind of say it's also a single, like the 0.08 sensor is just for portrait mode. And if you don't use that portrait mode, then it's not even a camera lens altogether. But it still kind of is, because it's there. Okay, I am dwelling too much. The brains behind the operation is a Unisoc Tiger T616 12nm chipset. Additionally, we get an okay charging speed at 18 watts. The Itel S23 Plus will set you back 7,499 pesos for the 8 plus 256GB configuration. And that's about it for this list. So what do you guys think about smartphones under 10,000 pesos from the third quarter of 2023? And you guys might be thinking, what about them phones priced under 7,000 pesos? You didn't add them in the list. Well, we're gonna have a video for those too. So, would you grab any of the phones I just mentioned? Which one would you prefer? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. But if you enjoyed this video or found it informative or interesting, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Don't forget to follow us on our socials, which are Facebook, X, Instagram, and TikTok. And be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see you in the next one.